Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to WA Reviews YouTube channel. Guys, today we will unbox Sinocare Safe ACCU blood glucose meter. I buy this meter from Aliexpress. I will give you link in description. You can buy from there. You can see this is the Sinocare Safe ACCU blood glucose meter. So we found inside one battery CR2032 and one unit for Sinocare Safe ACCU, which is blood glucose meter. You can see here written some instructions and two boxes of testing strips. Each box have 50 pieces, so two box have 100 pieces of testing strips. And two boxes of lenslets. So each box have 50 pieces, so two box have 100 pieces of lenslets. It's a Sinocare lenslets. One box of alcohol pads, which is 100 pieces. It's you can use for clean your finger or blood place. And one box of blood glucose meter. We will unbox this one and check what is inside. As you can see, here is written some instructions. Automatically applying blood samples, memory with capacity of 200 results, automatic strip ejection, 0.6 microliter blood sample, and you no need any code for reading this reading. As you can see, on side have instruction how to use this blood glucose meter. At other side written glucose meter, user manual, lenslet device, quick guide. So this is the MGDL model, also MMOL model available. Which standard using your country, you can buy that one. So let's unbox this one and check what inside have. So first we find inside Sinocare quick guide. You can see it's a Sinocare quick guide, and one case for blood glucose meter. Inside this case we found one meter and one lensing pen. This pen you can use lenslet inside this pen, so you can easily take blood sample from the help of this lensing pen. This is the back side. This is the push button for taking sample, and this is the extract button for removing your lenslets. It's a blood glucose meter by Sinocare. Backside have CR2032 battery. You can use CR2032 battery for this device. It's a 3-volt battery. This is the testing strip place, so you can put your testing strip here. Inside this box we found two boxes of testing strips. Each box have 25 pieces, so two box have 50 pieces. It's mean 50 pieces we get 100 pieces with this glucose meter of testing strips. So we open this box. Inside we found this is the testing strip of Sinocare Safe ACCU blood glucose meter. So you can take your blood sample on this testing strip. Like this way you can put this testing strip into this machine and take blood sample like this. After you can easily extract with the help of this push button. And this box of lenslets, we get two boxes of lenslets. Each box have 50 pieces of lenslets. So we will put this lenslet in the lensing pen. So after easily we can get our blood sample. And 100 pieces of this alcohol pad. This pad you can use for clean your finger or blood sample place. So we will, like this way, we will open this lensing pen, and after we easily can put this lenslet inside this pen. So like this way, after putting lenslet inside the pen, you need to twist and remove the cap. After easily close the cover of lensing pen. So we will put our battery inside our glucose meter. We will open the 2032 battery. So this is the battery for this blood glucose meter. We will put this battery inside this machine, and after close the back cover. From this button you can on your blood glucose machine. This is the power on button, but it will show you reading after you put testing strip into the machine. This machine can save up to 200 memories. As you can see in this guide, it's showing how to use this blood glucose machine. First, insert test strip. Second, your finger with lensing device. Third, collect blood sample, and fourth, get result after 10 seconds. And in this it's showing you all how to use the blood sample and lenslets, and mentioning test value, unit value, button, and all instructions giving on this quick guide. So by these 4 steps you can take your blood glucose sugar. So this is the lensing device. So guys, now we will check our blood sugar test. So first we on device. After we put testing strip into device. After we will clean our sampling area. After we will use lensing pen for taking blood sample. You can see easily blood coming with this lensing pen. After take just your blood on this testing strip. After 10 seconds it will show you the result. It's a mgdl machine, so it's showing the result in mgdl. So as you can see, it's showing me 83 mgdl. So my blood sugar is normal, not high. So like this way you can test your blood sugar quickly. So this is the just I take first reading of this machine. That's why there is no memory, no any save. So it's showing me nothing. So after you take your blood sample, you can extract your testing strip by this push button easily. No need to touch you again on testing strip. After testing strip, if you can on your blood glucose machine, it will show you nothing, because we just opened this machine and we took first blood sample. After taking blood sample, you can remove your lenslet by extract button of this pen. Like this way you can remove your lenslet easily. I will show you again. By this extract button you can remove your lenslet easily without touching the lenslet. So like this way you can use your lensing pen. After you can wash and keep it safe place. So this is the all about this Sinocare Safe ACCU blood sugar machine. This is the quick guide and instruction manual they provide us. They also provide us blood glucose indicator card, which show you your blood glucose level is high or average or normal. So here all reading they are providing all reading in MOL and MGDL. So red means your blood sugar is low, and blue means your blood sugar is normal, green means on borderline, and this dark blue means your blood sugar is high. This is the quick guide how to use this machine and this lensing pen. They are giving instructions. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 instructions how to use this lensing pen, and the next page giving instruction about your blood glucose meter, how to use blood glucose meter. So they provide in this box a quick guide and all instructions how you can use this glucose machine. So guys, this is the all about blood glucose machine. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friends, and keep watching guys. I give you buying link in description below. I buy this glucose meter from Aliexpress. It's very cheap, it's not too expensive, so you can buy from Aliexpress as well. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching guys. Take care, have a good day, bye.